YouTube? Research here again, doing a video, and a Borderlands 2 video, and today I'll be showing you how to get the infinity pistol. Like here it is. So yeah, this infinity pistol is one hit, unlimited ammo. You get it on all elements. You can get it in any level, and yeah, it like does more damage to the level, and you get different accuracy. Like I have here, I have the corrosive one as well. And today I'll be showing you how to get this. And before you go ahead, please smack that like button and subscribe. But please subscribe, because that'll just like help me out this channel, because I'll know that actually someone is watching my videos. So yeah, please do that. And also check out Pro X Tricksters at YouTube channel, and Mr. Bean 52. Mr. Bean 52, he helps out on FIFA 14 and that. He's really good at FIFA 14. He's like double messes all together, and yeah. So yeah, and also this video is like been uploaded everywhere. Like other people have done it. So yeah, but I just want to do it like for myself for the channel. So yeah, and this is just like a reminder how to do it for like newcomers. And also I cannot wait for the pre-sequel to come out. If you're all excited for that, I'll probably be doing some videos on that. And yeah, enjoy. Chuck some grenades down there so we can't. No, don't kill me, don't kill me. And if you want like more stuff, how to farm stuff and that, please, please, please give it a like. All you need to do is just waste 1 second and like, that's it. So yeah, that will really help. Sorry about the lag, because like on the others, like what I did online with my friends, farming legendaries, I watched a video on them and it was laggy, so yeah, I'm going to try and do it solo, see if it gets any better. Come on, die. Yeah. And if he doesn't drop it, what you do, you just exit the game and just load back up. And also, I probably will be doing videos of like Dead Island, FIFA 14, Wager Pink Slips, Modern Warfare, Battlefield 4, Saints Row, GTA 5 and all that. So yeah, if you do want GTA 5 and that, just please like. All I just want is about 3 likes on this video. That's all I'm asking, and yeah, I'll just do other videos. Like a dude, like a boss. Did you drop it? No. So what you do, you just quit, go back in, and keep doing the process over and over again. Yeah. Also, if you like Black Ops 2, I hate the thing. So yeah. I hate that game. I'm like mad. And Call of Duty Ghosts, bloody hell. I think like worst games I've ever played. Also, if you want to like see like what is it called, Batman Arkham City, lad. Yeah, please like as well. But I'll be appreciated if you did like anyway for like other game footage. Like if you want to find out stuff, I'll just like and subscribe, and I'll put videos up of them. So yeah, just chuck these grenades now. Also, I'll show you like how to get all ammo like I've got now. I'll show you how to get all that. Yeah, this is the last time I'll try and kill him. Don't work. Yeah, it don't work. But it does work. This is how you do farming. And also, the next video what I might put up is like the best setups for like the commander, the siren and that, Gunzerker. So yeah, please like. All I want is 3 likes on this video, and that's it. That's all I want, and I'll be like just pleased. I know we didn't drop it, but this is our last time now, because I've actually got this gun twice, and you can even see that I've got them both. I've only got them 2 because it takes quite a bit to, like about the 3rd or 4th or 5th go, it'll drop it. But if it don't, just keep doing this process over and over again. Hold on. Yeah guys, you didn't drop it, but this is what you do to farm him. This is how you farm the Infinity Pistol Discussor Dot Mercy. The best way to get it is like use this Vault Relic. That'll help so much better. But why did I not put it on? Bloody hell. So yeah. If you did enjoy this video, please like. I'll be so proud if you did like. And subscribe and share and comment. So yeah. Peace out.